Hello guys, and this is my acid-base indicator lab summary video. So my chosen indicator for this lab was rose petal solution, but I actually chose baking soda first, but then I was just too lazy to go out and buy baking soda because my family didn't really cook, so we don't have baking soda at home. So the rose petal solution turned out that turned out to be a very, I guess, good indicator. How did I know that it was a very good indicator? Oh well, I tested it with an acidic solution and then a basic solution. I tested it with so basically I mixed it with lime and water solution, and the two solutions reacted, turning the whole mixed solution pinkish red. Then I also mixed my rose petal solution with soap and water, and that was the basic solution. When I mixed both of them together, nothing really changed. Everything kind of stayed the same. So yeah, they didn't react or anything. So that just showed me that rose petal solution my rose petal solution especially will react with acidic solutions, not basic solutions. So I chose vinegar as my mysterious solution. Yes, and I concluded at the end that vinegar is acidic. Wow. Yep, and so during my tests, actually, one error occurred and another error could have occurred. So one error that actually occurred when I didn't really add enough rose petals to my solution, to the water, causing nothing really. So when I tried to mix it with my acid and base, nothing really changed. No reaction could be spotted. So I tried it again with more rose petals and it worked really great. So my other error that could have occurred when I didn't really wait for the rose petal solution to cool down, because yeah. So basically, to make the rose petal solution, you have to boil rose and water together. So that would really speed up the amount of time you have to use to create the rose petal solution. So I boiled them and I didn't really wait for them to cool down. I just poured them straight away into my acid, and it could have been dangerous for me. It could have exploded, maybe. But if the rose petal solution or my acid or base were to be something more dangerous and more reactive to heat, it could have been dangerous. So error. Yep. And I would not recommend any of you to really use this as your indicator, because roses are not that common in Thailand. So, yep. Thanks. Yee.